Hello, my name is Kevin, and this is my demo for the code editor project. In this day and age, AI has been a important aspect to everyone's everyday life, even for developers. And as a developer, we also enjoy the assistance of AI when we code. And there are also so many code editors out there who integrated different AI models. Uh, Most popular one recently is Cursor, who was able to uh, generate $100 million revenue within the span of 2 years. Some problems that we are having are in the current AI landscape because there's so many AI models and AI um, code editors. We need to be able to make sure that we find the best one. And as for the most popular code editor, uh, Visual Studio Code, they have recently implemented um, GitHub Copilot as their large language model support, but that could also lead to a bottleneck with the AI model. With the with our process that we're trying to do is to be able to implement different AI models for the user to choose from. If they choose to use um, OpenAI o4 model or even the recent large language model DeepSeek. And our process is to create a better environment for us developers to produce the best and most efficient code out there for companies who want the top of the line code for their projects. The solution that we have thought about is to first understand how these IDEs are created, how can we um, adjust it, um, how how do we identify that the user have selected a piece of code, and how do we generate these type of um, questions and answers. And after we do those type of research, we need to implement and optimize it in a better way and to allow the user to select different models and choose their best options. We experiment with different types of models the um, such as Llama, um, OpenAI, uh, DeepSeek, and even Google Gemini. And where most where most companies or most IDEs out there require you to have a API key, we provide you a free trial to use our IDE, so you don't need to create a new account and purchase a API key. We allow you to we allow the everyday user to just get started and move forward from these jargons. And I'll start demoing the app. So this is what the app looks like for now. I have a code that has a demonstration of the the Dijkstra's algorithm written in C++. We are able to cycle through different types of languages such as assembly, everyone's favorite, Kotlin, JavaScript, Python, and many others. You can even open your own files and even save them. Um, and after you run the code, um, we are able to understand that um, these solutions print out what we want. And if you don't actually understand what the code is actually saying, we could just firmly ask, what does the code do? And we click send. And what happens when we click send and we ask this question? The code editor will take in the current files, the source code's um, code, and turn that into be able to copy what the code is and generate a explanation of what the code actually does. Um, Currently, we're having some technical difficulties, but we should be seeing an explanation to why or how this code works. Uh, what's next is what I hope to be able to insert different changes to the code editor, such as if you highlight um, um, this min heap, right? We need to understand what min heap is, or even add a function within a um, a part of the function. All right. Thank you so much. And this is my demo for Code Editor IDE.